Sketching could be described as the precursor to drawing, or as a foundation skill to effective communication. With two simple tools, the pencil and paper, your sketching journey can begin. From Neolithic cave paintings to portraits of loved ones, sketching has been with us since the first humans picked up a burnt charcoal stick and began to describe the world around them. Still today, there is an innate desire in all of us to depict objects, emotions, and ideas. This desire is the most pure in children, who by encouragement and natural creativity are not held back by the fear or judgment or the constraints of realism. It is only when we get to primary school when this natural talent is described as art, and only those with the gift should invest time in this activity. This is a sad misconception, and I hope to show you in this course if you spend just a little time practicing some fundamental skills, you too can learn to recapture this ability and apply your years of life experience to a rewarding and enjoyable hobby. Throughout this course I will be using the term sketching and drawing interchangeably, and although I personally believe drawing to be the big brother of sketching, for our purposes the name is not important. It is the process that matters. It is true, this course will not make you a world-renowned artist, and it might not even result in a sellable masterpiece. But what it will do is give you all the information, techniques and exercises that you will need to start sketching. Before you begin this course, I want you to sketch or draw an object from around your home or environment. It could be a mug, a pet, a flower, a table. The item itself is not important. It is an exercise to give us a starting point, a point of reference to look back to from the end of the course to compare your progress against. So let's get started.